Morning, students. Today we'll do our next poem, A Thing of Beauty, written by poet John Keats. A thing of beauty, as the title suggests, means the poet is talking about beautiful things in the world. Beautiful things, he means the natural things, the beauties of nature he's talking about in this poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. The poet says that beautiful things of nature gives us permanent joy. Its loveliness increases means its beauty keeps on increasing, बढ़ती रहती है. It will never pass into nothingness. It never finishes. कभी खत्म नहीं होती. But क्या करती है? Will keep a bar. Bar होता है एक shady place. And it is a metaphor used over here, poetic device. Quiet for us. A shady place means where there is a group of trees and gives us shade and a sleep. And when, suppose we are very tired and we reach near a bar, a shady place, automatically we'll fall asleep. And it gives us sleep, sound sleep. Sleep that is full of sweet dreams, which gives us beautiful dreams also. And if our sleep is healthy, sound, it gives us beautiful dreams. Next morning, we get up fresh, we are healthy. And quiet breathing. When we are healthy, our breathing system is quiet, means our breathing system and our health both are synonyms to each other. Both means a healthy life. Therefore, on every morrow means morning, are we reading? Reading means making a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Again, it is metaphor here is used. Ki are we establishing relationship with the earth? Earth is the only planet where there is life of human beings, life of animals, life of nature, everything. So are we in constant contact with nature? Spite of despondence. Despondence means depressions. Spite means in spite of. Spite of despondence means though there is depression. Spite of human in dearth, though there is lack. Lack means shortcomings in human natures. Spite of noble natures means nobility, lack of nobility. Spite of gloomy days means thou our days are gloomy. Gloomy means sad. Means we are sad. Why? We are depressed. Why? Because we are not noble and we have become inhuman. Of all the unhealthy and over darkened ways, our lifestyles have become unhealthy and therefore our ways of living are dark. We are not enlightened. Made for our searching, yes, means despite all these things, in spite of all the above things, these all are difficulties. Some shape of beauty moves away the pall. Pall here means darkness. So, beautiful objects of nature remove the darkness from our lives. What are those objects? Such the sun, the moon, trees, old and young. Old and young, again, poetic device. Antithesis, opposite words. Sprouting means giving, a shady boon. They give us shade. For simple sheep, beautiful animals. And such are daffodils, beautiful flowers. One flower name, one animal name is mentioned over here, but it means all animals, all flowers. With the green world they live in, the forest animals, the forest flowers. And clear rills, rills means rivers, beautiful rivers, that for themselves a cooling covert, alliteration, poetic device, ka is repeated. Cooling covert means it gives a very soothing effect. Make against the hot season means if there is summer season, to all the above mentioned beautiful things, trees, rivers, flowers, they give us a soothing, a cooling effect. The mid forest break means in the mid of the forest, these things are found. Rich with a sprinkling of fair musk rose, blooms in the mid of the forest where there are roses in abundance, spreading their fragrance. And such too is the grandeur of the dooms. ये तो सब beautiful objects of nature की बात हुई ना. One thing more he is mentioning in the below lines. That is also grandeur of our dooms. Grandeur, doomsday is the day that is the last day. And we have imagined for the mighty dead. Mighty dead here means the great heroes of the past. All the great heroes of the past will be rewarded, given grandeur on the doomsday. All lovely tales we have heard or read. Means we have read about these great heroes of the past. An endless fountain of immortal drink. Immortal means that never ends. Drink. Again, immortal drink metaphor. Pouring onto us means giving us. Who is giving? From the heavens bring, from the sky, from the nature. Means all these beautiful things of nature as well as the inspiring stories of our past heroes give us constant inspiration, constant motivation, immortal motivation. This is the message and explanation of the poem. Now let us discuss with the help of some questions. What causes pain? Depressions, anxieties, stress due to lack of nobility in humans, unhealthy living styles. What does quiet breathing signify? Here, quiet breathing means healthy life, which is possible if our lifestyle is healthy and we preserve nature, both the things. What does a flowery band to bind us to the earth signify? इसका क्या meaning है? It means if we are making efforts to preserve nature and its resources, means are we establishing, maintaining our relation with nature? Why do mighty dead receive grandeur? वो grandeur क्यों receive करेंगे? They did great deeds in their lives for the mankind and other species of nature, for which they will be rewarded on the doomsday. What is fountain of immortal drink? All the beautiful things of nature and great deeds of past heroes are immortal drink. What is doomsday? It is the last day of the earth when God will reward the good doers. What makes man love life? Means life is full of anxieties, worries, tension, but still we don't want to end our life. Why? Beautiful objects of nature and inspiring tales of great heroes of the past give us motivation to love life. So I hope you understand this poem. Thank you, students.